administration, teachers, parents, well-wishers, and fellow Marians, good morning. My, how much has changed at this school. Even at this new report ceremony, it used to be headed from that direction, and the seating would be in this way, but I mean, I must commend, it would be remiss of me not to commend this administration headed by Dr. Small for the establishment and the continued building of our auditorium. Please, a round of applause. 5 years ago, it was still just a thought, a plan, but to see the groundbreaking is really inspiring. And like I said, I've been coming back to Wilmot over the past 5 years. As I come, I see the changes in the infrastructure. We actually have a real basketball court. I mean, we had a gravel pit when I was there. It was dangerous to play.